Hey everyone, I'm Kelly with thesuburbansoapbox.com, and today we are making some steamed artichokes. What's great about these, I'm making them in the Instant Pot. So you're cutting your time to artichoke heaven in half. So first thing we should talk about is how to select an artichoke when you go to the grocery store. They're kind of spiny and intimidating, so I totally get it if you see them sitting there in the produce stand and you're just like, I'll pass that by. But an artichoke is super healthy, it's packed with fiber and vitamins, and they're so tasty. So one thing you want to look for when you're picking an artichoke is make sure that the stem is not too dried out, but you want one that's kind of fresh. And you also want to make sure that your artichoke is nice and tight and it's not kind of wide open, because it is the bud of a flower. So you want to make sure that that bud is tight and closed and nowhere near becoming the flower that it's supposed to be. So to prep your artichoke, I like to cut off the stem end, and I kind of get under like a first leaf and I cut off the stem end, more so you have a flat surface to put it in the Instant Pot. And then I cut off the top about a ½ inch to an inch, depending on how big your artichoke is. This is just gonna let some of the steam come out and it's going to cook more evenly. And then a more mature artichoke is gonna have some spiny, little thorny things on the edge. So you want to check for those, and you would simply just cut them off. I don't really see too many on here, but like this one, if you see that little prickly piece, you just want to snip that off, just like that. And it's more for safety reasons than anything else. But this one looks good, so we're not going to trim it any further, and we'll just set that aside. If you're prepping ahead, prepping your artichokes in advance, you don't want them to turn brown, so you would take a lemon and rub it on the cut edges just to prevent some oxidation, and that will keep them from turning brown. Okay, now they're ready to go into your Instant Pot. And I made sure that I have the little steamer rack in the bottom, and you're going to place them in your Instant Pot stem side down so that they cook evenly. And you can just steam them just with some water, but I like to add some flavor to the steaming liquid, since the water in the bottom of the Instant Pot will accumulate some of the flavors from whatever you're gonna put in there. So I just like to cut up some lemons and throw them in the bottom, just around the artichokes. Just for some added flavor. You're not gonna use the lemons for anything afterwards. And then I'm going to add just some garlic cloves. And I think 2 would just be fine. I'm going to take the paper off and toss them in with the artichokes in your Instant Pot. The last one. And now we're going to add 1 cup of water. So the water is more to create the pressure inside the Instant Pot, so that it cooks your artichokes. So that pressure inside the Instant Pot is going to definitely speed up the cooking process for your artichokes. It'll create them nice and tender. You'll be able to tell when you pull the leaf off that they're cooked thoroughly. So I'm going to put the lid back on, and I'm going to do pressure cook on high. You're gonna set the timer for 10 minutes. And then hit start. And make sure that the little stopper is down so that the pressure can accumulate in the Instant Pot. And then we wait. now that we release the pressure on the Instant Pot, we're ready to open it up and check out our artichokes. And you can see it's like nice and soft. And if you can pull off one of the leaves easily, just like that, you know it's done. We're ready to go, ready to enjoy our artichokes. They smell amazing. So we love our butter. So we're gonna take the very healthy artichoke and pull off one of the leaves and dip it in the butter. It's so good. The best part is the heart. So to eat them, you just pull off the leaves and then pull off the meat with your teeth. So easy. And once you get to the center, just scoop out the hairy choke, that hairy part, and then you can eat the heart that's at the bottom. That's the best part. The heart is the best part. So, one more dip. So good. I could literally eat these every day. Thanks again for watching. Please be sure to subscribe and give this video a like. If you want more easy recipes, make sure you check out thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.